Hello friends, it's me, your old pal Max West again. It's day 28 of the 30-day drawing challenge. Today, I'm going to do a sketch of Ace here, again from Poison Ivy Gulch, my Wild West webcomic. I'm going to do a quick layout here. Alright, after doing a short layout here, start adding in some of the rough details. Sketch in his eyes. Give him his nose. Alright, I'm going to draw him in his buckskin here, which is what I've been drawing him in for quite some time. I'll add in the Billy Jack style hat in just a second here. Okay. Alright. There we go. Alright, there we go. There we go. I put him in his buckskin there. Gonna add in probably one of those add in a saguaro cactus. Which is kind of shorthand not only for the desert here, but the Old West. And there we go, a nice drawing of Ace out in the desert. There we go, we have another day of the 30-day drawing challenge done. Almost over. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that bell there to be notified of new videos. If you want to check out Poison Ivy Gulch, just click the link below. Until later, this is Max West saying goodbye.